Hey guys, it's Oana and Ninj here. We're just gonna do some seated neck treatment today in the sunshine. We've got a beautiful day today. Just for the all-known upper trap, like pain, tension, tightness. We've been having lots of people coming in recently with this kind of issue, either on the left side or right side. So Ninja is preparing some coca drinks for us.
Yeah, look at this.
What are you doing there?
We were talking about stress and
Yeah.
managing your stress, so we thought I'd share some cocoa and some medicinal mushrooms with you guys. Have a sip of that.
Thank you.
And our cameraman as well. There you go. Cheers. Look at
Cheers.
this. In together. It's all part of it, you know. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, health isn't just one-dimensional. It's not just about the physical body. There's many other facets to health as well, like community and friendship and connection and things like that. So
Yeah, you just got to find the right tools that resonate with you, that help you manage stress.
yeah, cacao.
Yeah, cacao is one of them.
Yeah, it's good for the heart. Let's look after our heart, guys. So get a treatment off Oana.
Alrighty.
It's great for the heart. Best hugger ever, she is.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, she's tight, bear hug.
Okay, we're just gonna start, I guess, with a warm-up stroke.
How's the light there, Leo? You want me to turn round?
Yeah,
All right, I'll turn around this way.
Oh,
Oh, she look at that! Didn't even miss a beat.
Got it.
Kept her connection.
Nice Oana.
Yeah, we're usually starting with a nice fascial stretch.
That's great.
So we might have done prior to this treatment in a prone position for the neck, or also supine, so lying on their stomach or on their back.
So how do you remember supine? What does that mean? Do you know how I remember it?
How do you remember it?
It's like supine is soup.
Soup.
If you hold a soup, if you have it that way, the soup fucking goes on the ground. So you have to hold your hand up. So facing up is soup.
Soup.
Remember that, kids? Water! Jesus.
Yeah, so just sinking in.
Now maybe switch
And
over
just-
and face the fence now. So you get
Yeah.
where
Oh, look at this. We're on a special massage stool.
Spinning massage. Sitting.
Just created especially for this moment, isn't it? We got it engineered and designed and made for us. Is that right, Oana?
Yeah.
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 You just agree? Nod and agree? Man, have you got any jokes about vampires?
I don't have any.
Go-
I told you.
Come on, you must have. You're holding off on me. Oh, you think the whole thing is a joke, vampires?
I think so.
They're not real.
Yeah. I haven't encountered any.
Yeah. How about
I think
parasites?
the funniest are the one, have you watched that movie, What We Do in the Shadows? It's like a parody for the vampires.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it funny?
Yeah, it's a funny one.
Are you in it?
No.
You don't act in it? Oh, they should have got you in. You could have made that even better. From Romania, Transylvania. So just for my geography, what are the surrounding
You need to
countries?
visit it.
Yeah, I need
Visit
to.
now.
Is it all right?
Yeah.
So it was
I
a
guess
bit.
it's alright. Yeah.
It was a bit scary before. Oh, it was a communist country, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was under the Soviet bloc for a while.
Yeah.
89.
Till 89.
Yeah.
Good year, 89. Oh,
How's that feeling? in
oh,
you?
you're killing me, mate.
So, yeah,
I reckon you're doing it on purpose. Is that right?
Gotta compensate for no jokes with vampires.
Nah,
Yeah.
this is the joke is Ninja's face. Wrinkle counts up, Oana. Jeez. What muscle are you on? What tendon that down there?
Upper trap.
Upper trap
Still
tendon?
Upper trap.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a nasty one. Yeah, it comes from the suboccipital region in here and goes down into your shoulder.
Yeah.
Just the upper trap fibers, because the muscle is quite big. It goes down.
Yeah.
Got mid trap, lower trap. This one, the top one, is usually the culprit.
Yeah.
Could be due to like muscle imbalances. The other ones are not strong enough, and this one takes the whole load. Could be posture, like people usually who work at a desk and just tend to hunch forward.
Yeah.
Or I think the main culprit for this muscle is stress.
Yeah.
Just holding stress.
It's the big word for this video, isn't it? Stress, tension.
Yeah,
Drink.
how do you manage that? How do you?
Yeah.
Because we all have it. We all have to deal with that.
Yeah. Everyone's got shit, haven't they? Every single person. It's how we respond to the challenges that matters, isn't it? So yeah, drink a cocoa.
Might come from
What do you?
the.
It's a nice day, Oana.
Yeah.
What's the weather like in Transylvania at the moment?
At the moment it's winter.
Winter.
It's snowing. Yeah.
Snowing. Vampires, what are they doing in winter? They
Hibernate.
hibernate, do they? What sort of, you got dangerous animals over there?
Yeah, we've got bears.
Bears?
And wolves.
Bears and
Yeah.
wolves. Yeah.
I think we still have the largest concentration of brown bears in Europe.
Really?
Actually, yeah.
Yeah. Brown bears. What's that rhyming slang for? Hey, Yogi Bear's your hair. Maybe brown bear won't have been your hair as well. Ah!
A good spot here.
So good.
Yeah, we're hitting a bit of left scap in here too.
Levator scapula.
Yes.
Levates your scapula, does it?
Yes.
Elevates it. Or is it
Elevates your
elevates?
scapula.
Yeah. Shouldn't it be elevator scapula?
Yeah.
Bloody, they got. Let's get their the names of descriptions of the muscles right, shouldn't they, Oana?
Yeah.
I'll ring them up. What is levity? Is that when things levitate? Maybe that's what it is. Yeah. Talk about gravity. You don't talk about levity much.
Maybe look towards your opposite armpit, down. Bit of active release. It just helps to bring awareness where the blockage is.
Yeah. So you do any moves like this with your interpretive dance, Oana? You could be a winner. People will be lining up to dance with you. What do you reckon?
Yeah, let your body flow.
Yeah. Flow even better after a bit of this work.
Yeah, express yourself the way
Yeah.
you feel like.
This is how you express yourself, isn't it, Oana, through your work? Passion for bodywork,
Yeah.
passion for health.
Might come from this angle. Maybe.
Wow.
Hug.
That's a hug.
It's a hug.
Ah, it's a good hug.
How's this feeling?
Yeah, that's good. Oh, yeah. This is the move you invented?
If it works, it works.
Yeah. Top marks for improvisation. It's good. Effectiveness is the best measure of truth. How's that, Leo? I said it.
Did it.
Yeah. It's a line I can rarely say.
Fascial stretch again. Might even come from the front and just put some pressure in here from a different angle. Maybe get Minch, just explore angles, his own pace.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's good.
you might want to turn one side and the other, and maybe inhale on one side, exhale on the other side.
Oh.
Yeah, you might get referral up in your head, neck,
Oh,
behind
dear.
the eyes.
Dear, oh dear. Oh dear. I'm a bit stunned.
Yeah, this muscle can also cause like headaches and even referring to your TMJ.
Jaw.
Jaw, yeah.
Yeah.
We
TMJ.
call it TMJ, yeah.
TMJ. What's that stand for, Oana?
Temporomandibular joint.
Yeah, there you go. Ah! Getting mine working. Ah. Jeez, you got strong hands, Oana. Ah. It's good though.
Yeah, it should feel like a good pain, like it's doing something good for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, doing it in the sunshine, it's
Yeah.
even better.
Yeah, fresh air. Grounding. That's good.
Yeah, just staying close to this.
So you've been effective with headaches and shoulder pain and upper trap area, Oana?
I've been lucky, just I guess tightness in the upper traps, but yeah, never had headaches.
Oh, you personally, but I mean...
Personally, but
treating
yeah,
other people.
Yeah, treating other people, yeah.
Yeah, you're good, mate. You're a gun.
Yeah, I find this kind of treatment, like seated neck, dynamic neck, helps, especially if the range of motion is quite reduced and yeah, associated with pain too.
Yeah, it's feeling better everywhere now. It's sort of really melted, and
Yeah.
so how it is with deep body working. There's challenges, you know, when you got blocked up parts, they're painful, but you need to kind of breathe through it, work through it, and yeah, the rewards will be there.
Yeah, pain is an invitation to evolve. That's what you taught me.
Yeah, it is. We either run away, avoid it, or we can confront it and work through it. Yeah, you're better on the other side once you kind of have worked out how to get through. So
We might just do like a final stroke here, just to hydrate these tissues for the last time.
yeah.
You can even go a bit lower, like into the deltoid.
Yeah. It's all feel the stretch.
It's all connected in the
It's all
body.
continuous, isn't it? Yeah, that feels good. It feels like a really good stretch for the neck. Enhanced by the pulling down on the arm there. Sun's good too.
Alrighty, fixed.
Oh, awesome. Cheers.
Have another.
Whose is who? Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
We're good. Yeah, come and get a treatment off Oana.
Come to MMT, guys.
Yeah.
Get fixed.
Get fixed.
Yep.
Won't regret it. Get
Merry
it done.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Done.